your Polaris is not cleaning the pool floor anymore, this is the most common reason why. Howdy partners, my name is Mr. Greg. On this channel, we do empowering DIY videos, one project at a time. For today's project, we're going to fix this Polaris 280 pool cleaner and get it working like new again. It has not been cleaning the pool very well. We need to rebuild it. We've rebuilt it a bunch. You may have done the same thing if you have one of these Polaris pool cleaners, but let's show you what it is doing right now and how we're going to fix it. As you can see, the Polaris is working, but it's just kind of spinning in a circle. You can actually see the circle of clean around everything else, and it's not going around the pool properly. See that back wheel's kind of lifted up. It's not really working quite right. So I'm going to show you how to know what it is and how to get that Polaris circling the pool properly again so it doesn't just keep kind of doing a round circle pattern. Okay, so as you saw, it's sort of just doing those circles. And most common reason why is because these wheels have tires, rubber tires on them. And over time, these tires wear down. As you see these lines here, this is sort of worn down here, and that's just from cleaning the pool, and especially on a concrete pool. And then right here in the middle is this axle that's connected all underneath to here. There's this silver part here is actually a drive mechanism. There's teeth, as you see inside of these, and there's a lot of things that could be wrong. If the teeth get worn out, like this one, the teeth are a little worn out, that could be the problem. You could need a whole new wheel. This drive could be the problem, but 9 times out of 10, all you need is a new tire. When this turns with the front tire, it's spring loaded, both tires should turn. If they're not both turning, you probably have a problem with the tires. Now, if you don't have new tires yet, because you can buy them on Amazon real easy, go ahead and flip it over, because normally these tires do not weather evenly. So one side's gonna be taller than the other. You can flip it over, buy yourself another couple weeks. That's not gonna be the best solution. The best solution is gonna be to buy some new tires. And again, also, your back tire often has more tread left than the front ones. So if you come in close, I got these new tires. They're some aftermarket brand. But basically, you wanna get a pack of 3 probably. And you could try to just replace 2 of the 3. I'm gonna go ahead and do all 3. They're only a couple bucks, but you're just gonna kind of snap it over. If you have trouble getting it on, you could warm these tires up a little bit in in some hot water or something. You don't want to melt them, but they should go on pretty easily. And you're just gonna put that one on till it's nice and even. Then you're gonna put this one on. Now this one's gonna be a little trickier because this is spring loaded. So we're gonna put this over and get this on. Again, like I showed you with those other parts, you could take this thing apart and rebuild it, and you can replace the bearings, you can replace the axles, you can replace the springs. Polarises are great cleaning machines, but if you've owned one for any amount of time, they do require periodic replacement of parts. This video is just about the most common reason why it may not be operating properly. It's still plugged in, as you see water's coming out, and I'm just doing this real quick. So we've got this new tire on, and now I want to make sure it's even. See, when I turn this, both the wheels are turning. That is awesome. That's what you want. That means that we now got that much tighter. Even though these look the same, they're worn down and they're not working together. So as this one turns and this one turns, it makes all of them turn. So we're gonna throw this back in the pool, and then we'll show you how it looks. Stay tuned and we'll show you the difference. So as you can see, the Polaris is now walking in a straight line and cleaning the entire pool. We're not just having those circles going again like it was before. It'll also operate properly at the walls, turning around, letting those new tires grab the floor, and continuing on its course. In no time, we're gonna have a nice clean pool again, which I am very excited about. There we go. New wheels for the win. All right. Well, I hope that was helpful. It is amazing how easy and cheap a little fix like that will do and save you tons of headaches, so your pool is now sparkling clean again and ready for the swim season. I know my kids love swimming almost every day of summer, and this gives them a clean pool. Hope you liked this video. If you like little pool tips and tricks, be sure to like, comment, most importantly, subscribe to this channel, because we have a bunch of those around on the channel, not only with the Polaris 280, but also just general pool maintenance and chemicals and all that stuff. And we got a bunch of home how-to stuff. So hope you liked it. If you got any questions, put it in the comment box. I'll try to get right back to you. And remember, all these videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.